In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run SQL queries in Visual Studio Code. By the end, you'll have the essential extension installed that lets you work with databases and execute SQL directly inside your editor without switching to a separate tool. Start by opening Visual Studio Code. This is the lightweight code editor from Microsoft, not the full Visual Studio IDE. If you haven't launched it in a while, it's a good idea to let it update so everything runs smoothly and the marketplace extensions install without issues. Once VS Code is open, look to the activity bar on the left side of the window and open the extensions view. It's the icon that looks like 4 squares, or you might see it labeled as extensions depending on your theme. This is where you can browse, install, and manage add-ons that extend the editor's capabilities. In the extension search box, type SQL Tools. You're looking for the extension that enables database connections and SQL execution right inside VS Code. As the results populate, you'll see an entry named SQL Tools. Click into it to open the details page. Here you can quickly review what it supports. Commonly used databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and others through companion drivers, as well as features like query execution, results panes, and connection management. Take a second to glance at the description and verify it matches what you need. Checking ratings and the number of installs can also help confirm you've got the right one. When you're ready, click Install. VS Code will download the extension from the marketplace and handle the setup for you. Depending on your network speed and system policies, this might take a moment. If you're on a corporate or school network, make sure marketplace access is allowed so the download can complete. After installation, VS Code may prompt you to reload the window. If you see a reload or restart button, go ahead and click it so the extension activates properly. That's it for the setup. With SQL tools installed, your editor is now prepared to connect to databases and run queries from within VS Code. You'll find SQL-related commands available through the command palette and options in the sidebar once you add drivers for your specific database engine. From here, you can create connections, write SQL in an editor tab, and review results without leaving your development environment. If you ever need to manage or update the extension later, return to the extensions view where you can disable, uninstall, or configure settings to match your workflow. Thanks for watching and enjoy running SQL directly in Visual Studio Code.